Hey guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. So ngayon guys, ay next week na lang ako magpa-vlog. Matagal pa. December ata ako maka-vlog. Kasi walang may nag-view ng aking vlog. Kaya ayaw ko na lang mag-vlog. Susunod na lang. Ayaw niya naman review. Kaya please subscribe, follow, and share guys ha. Madali lang tong vlog ko guys. Di siya matagal. Saglit lang tayo guys. Lalaro nitong slime. So guys, ano naman kayo guys? So ano naman kayo guys, i-comment, heart, share, and follow. So di naman kayo nagko-comment guys, kaya ayaw ko na lang mag-vlog. Susunod na lang ako. Bahala kayo dyan. Hahanap kayo ng vlog, ayaw ko na. Susunod na kapag magtaas yung hindi ko alam kung dadayon pa yung vlog ko guys ha. Ayun. Maybe this night and love divine. Maybe now they can more interesting. She's sparking his life, and I feel so right. Maybe this time, love on it. She's past this way, but then she's way in this sky. So be back, waiting for this magic moment. Oh, maybe this time it'll love divine. Maybe now we can be more interested. So right, maybe this time, love on me. Okay guys, bye-bye.